Today's class is about present perfect passive sentences. Now we can check what is the correct time. The car has been washed by Gio. What is the correct time? The car washing activity already happened. What is the formula for present perfect passive sentences? What are examples for present perfect passive sentences? We can check. Present time. Time 15. Showing completion. Passive sentences. Formula. Has or have plus been plus ed words. So time to learn the formula in detail. Has or have plus been plus ed words. We can check an example. The car washed by Gio. Has been washed by Gio. The car has been washed by Gio. So time to check the clock sentence. Clock number 1. The car washing activity finished. The car has been washed by Gio. Time to check a different example. A rat has been killed by John. We can compare present perfect active sentences and passive sentences. Active. Gio has washed his car. Passive sentence. The car has been washed by Gio. Now it's our time to complete all the exercises. See you in our next class. Thank you.